Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will solve remaining sums of practice set 1.2. So let's solve question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. Sub question 3 says that x plus y is equal to 0, 2x minus y is equal to 9. Here x and y are two variables. We are going to find here x and y value. So first we will take x plus y is equal to 0. This is equation first. Now here we will put y is equal to 0 minus x. Okay, because we are going to find here value of y. We will consider the value of x and we will find the value of y. Draw here table. Okay, first x and y. We will consider the value of x is 1 and we don't know the value of y. So when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to question mark. Now this blue color, y is equal to 0 minus x, this we will find. So y is equal to 0 minus x is 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to minus 1. Is that clear? So we will put here 1 comma minus 1. 1 is x and minus 1 is y. Now let's consider x is 2. Okay, and we don't know the value of y. So again we will take this equation, y is equal to 0 minus x. So y is equal to 0 minus 2 because x is 2. Y is equal to 0 minus 2, which give us y is equal to minus 2. So we will put here y is equal to minus 2. So x is 2 and y is minus 2. So here x comma y is 2 comma minus 2. Okay. Now let us consider x is 3. Here if we will consider x is 3, then x is equal to 3, then we are going to find the value of y. So here y is equal to 0 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 0 minus 3, which give us y is equal to minus 3. That means x is 3 and y is minus 3. As you know, we have considered x is 3 and we have found here y is equal to minus 3. So here 3 comma minus 3. Now last one. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to question mark. Now same, y is equal to 0 minus, in the place of x we will put 4. So 0 minus 4 minus 4. Y is equal to 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Okay, so y is equal to minus 4. So x is 4 and y is minus 4. Is that clear? So simple. So 4 comma minus 4. Okay, now we will solve the second one. So second equation says that 2x minus y is equal to 9. So here again two variables are there, x and y. We will consider the value of x and we will find the value of y. Okay, here we have to calculate the value of y and we have to consider the value of x. So we will assume that if x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. So 2x minus 9 is equal to y. So y is equal to 2x minus 9. 2x minus 9. Okay, on right hand side and y is on left hand side. So y is equal to 2x minus 9. Again draw this table, same like previous one. Now x and y. Consider the value of x is 1. Now we are going to calculate the value of y. So when x is equal to 1, then y is question mark. So y is equal to 2x minus 9. So in the place of x we will put 1. So 2 ones are 2 minus 9. 9 minus 2 is, yes, 7, minus 7. Okay, 9 minus 2 is minus 7. So y is equal to minus 7. X is 1 and y is equal to minus 7. So 1 comma minus 7. Is that clear, my dear students? So here we will put 1 comma minus 7. Now second, x is equal to 2, but we don't know the value of y. Then y is equal to question mark. So here y is equal to 2x minus 9. In the place of x we will put 2. So 2 bracket 2 minus 9. 2 2s are 4 minus 9. So 9 minus 4 is minus 5. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Okay, here greater number sign is minus 9. So minus 5. So x is 2 and y is minus 5. So here we will put 2 comma minus 5. Now the third one. If x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, then y is equal to question mark. Again we are going to find the value of y. So here y is equal to 2x minus 9. In the place of x we will put 3 minus 9. 2 3 is 6 minus 9. 9 minus 6 is 6 minus 9 is 3 minus 3. Okay. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Greater number sign is minus. So 3 is x is 3 and y is minus 3. So 3 comma minus 3. Here we will put 3 comma minus 3. Now if x is equal to 4 but we don't know the value of y. So here y is equal to 2x minus 9. In the place of x we will put 4. Because we are consider here value of x is 4. So y is equal to 2 bracket 4 minus 9. 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 9 is y is equal to 8 minus 9 is how much? Minus 1. So here we will put minus 1. So x is 4 and y is minus 1. Here we will put minus 1. So bracket 4 comma minus 1. Is that clear, my dear students? So simple and easy to solve this type of a graphical equation, simultaneous equation. Now we have two tables here. Now we are going to represent this x and y value on this graph paper. First draw here on this graph paper. First we have to draw here y-axis and x-axis. Left hand side is negative, right hand side is positive. Similarly upper side is positive, downward side is negative. Scale both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now x plus y is equal to 0. Here x is 1 and y is minus 1. So on right hand side you can see here 1 and minus 1 is down. Okay, so this point 1 and minus 1. So here we will put 1 and minus 1. Give here point 1 comma minus 1. Give here 2 comma minus 2. Now here 3 comma minus 3. Okay, 3 is positive 3 and minus 3 is negative. So x-axis is 3 and minus 3 is y-axis. Now here positive 4 and negative 4. So x is 4 and y is minus 4. Okay. Now here we have to join all these 4 points. Okay. By drawing a line. By drawing a straight line. So here draw a straight line and join all these 4 points. And give here equation name is x plus y is equal to 0. Now second table 2x minus y is equal to 9. Okay, so x is 1 and y is minus 7. See here x is 1 and y is minus 7 downward. Okay, so here we will put minus 7. Okay, x is 1 and y is minus 7. On the place of minus 7, here 1 comma minus 7. Now here 2 comma minus 5 and here 3 comma minus 3. See here double time it is repeating. First equation as well as second equation 3 comma minus 3. Okay. Afterward 4 comma minus 1. See all the 4 blue points? Yes. Now again we have to join all these 4 points. To join all these 4 points by drawing a straight line. Okay. Now here, yes, you can see here an intersection point. Yes, intersection point 2x minus y is equal to 9. The second line representing 2x minus y is equal to 9. Now this is an intersection point 3 comma minus 3. Yes, 3 comma minus 3 is the intersection point. Is that clear, my dear students? So here we will put 3 comma minus 3 is the intersection point. So line x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9 intersect each other at point 3 comma minus 3. Is that clear? This is very, very, very important. This you have to remember. Therefore, we will write solution is x comma y that is equal to 3 comma minus 3. 3 comma minus 3 is the intersection point. So, in this way, we have completed sub-question 3. Now, let's solve sub-question 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Here, 3x minus y is equal to 2. First, we will calculate the value of x and y here. Okay. So, 3x minus y is equal to 2. So, 3x minus 2 is equal to y. Okay. So, in the place of x, we will y is equal to 3x minus 2. Okay. We are going to calculate here value of y. So, draw here table x, y. So, x comma y. We will consider the value of x. Firstly, x is equal to 0. But we don't know the value of y. So, question mark. In the place of x we will put 0. So y is equal to 3x minus 2. In the place of x we will put 0. So y is equal to, therefore y is equal to 3 bracket 0 minus 2. So y is equal to 3 zeros is 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. So x is 0 and y is minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2. So simple. Okay. Now here we will consider x is 1. Okay, and we are going to calculate the value of y. So y is equal to question mark. So again y is equal to 3x minus 2. In the place of x we will put 1. So y is equal to 3 bracket 1 minus 2. So 3 ones are 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So y is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. So here x is also positive and y is also positive, 1 comma 1. Okay. So bracket x 1 comma 1. Now x is 2. Let us consider here x is 2. So x is equal to 2, then y is equal to question mark. Again we will use the same equation, y is equal to 3x minus 2. In the place of x we will put 2. So 3 bracket 2 minus 2. So 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, so y is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4. So x is 2 and y is 4. Now here last box, x is equal to 3. Now here we will consider x is 2 and y is 4. Now here we will consider x is 3 and we don't know the value of y. Okay, last bracket. So in the place of x we will put 3. So y is equal to 3 bracket 3 minus 2. In the place of x we will put 3. So y is equal to 3 bracket 3 minus 2. So 3 3s are 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. So x is 3 and y is 7. Both numbers are positive. Okay, so here 7. So bracket 3 comma 7. X is 3 and y is 7. Now similarly we will draw the second table here. Okay, so 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now 3 is on right hand side and it is a positive number. So if it is moving from right to left it will become negative. So 2x minus 3 is equal to y. So y is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, so here we are going to find the value of y. So again same x comma y. So here let us take x is equal to 0, then y is equal to question mark. So in the place of x we will put 0. So y is equal to 2x minus 3. So 2 bracket 0 minus 3. So 2 zeros is 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Y is equal to 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So here we will put y is equal to minus 3. X is 0 and y is minus 3. So 0 comma minus 3. Now in the place of x we will put 1. Let us consider the value of x is 1. So x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to question mark. We don't know the value of y. So here again x is equal to 1 and y is equal to question mark. In the place of x we will put 1. So y is equal to 2 bracket 1 minus 3. So 2 ones are 2 minus 3 give us minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So here x is 1 and y is minus 1. So put here value of y is minus 1. So 1 comma minus 1. Okay, in this box, inside this box we will put 1 comma minus 1. Now the third we will put 2. Okay, third box we will put 2. So x is equal to 2, then y is equal to question mark. Again we are finding here value of y. Now here y is equal to 2x minus 3. So in the place of x we will put 2. So 2 2s are 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is positive 1. So here we will put 1. Y is equal to 1. So x is 2 and y is 1. So inside this bracket we will put 2 comma 1. Okay. Now last box x is equal to 3, then y is equal to question mark. We don't know the value of y. Here x is 3, y is equal to question mark. In the place of x we will put 3. So y is equal to 2 bracket 3 minus 3. 2 3 is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is how much? Yes, 6 minus 3 is 3, positive 3. So x is 3 and y is 3. Both are positive number. Okay, so 3, 3. Here we will put the value is 3, 3. X is 3 and y is 3. Both are positive number. Now we have this 2 table here and we will represent all these x and y points on graph paper. Okay, so at this stage we have to take here graph paper. Yes, now we will present all this point on this graph paper. We will represent all this point on this graph paper. So draw here y-axis and x-axis. Scale both axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. As you know, upper side is positive, downward side is negative. And right hand side is positive, left hand side is negative. Now 3x minus y is equal to 2. This table. X is 0 and y is minus 2. So on x-axis 0 and y-axis minus 2. See the below side? Yes, pink color dot. Okay, minus 2. So x is 0 and y is minus 2. Okay, now here x is 1 and y is 1. Both are positive. So here 1 and 1. Now x is 2 and y is 4. So here plot 2, 4. Now x is 3 and y is 7. Positive 7. See here. So here positive 7. 3, minus 7. Okay. Now here we have to join all these 4 pink color points. Okay. So draw here line. Okay. Join all these 4 points by drawing line. Here. This point represent 3x minus y is equal to 2. So this line name is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now 2x minus y is equal to 3. The second line, x is 0 and y is minus 3. So here 0, minus 3. Orange color. See here 0, minus 3. Now 1, minus 1. Here x is 1 and y is minus 1. Second point. Now third is 2, 1. So 2, 1 on right hand side, okay, and upper side. So 2, 1. Now 3, 3. Both are positive. So 3 here and 3 here. So 3, 3. Now draw all these orange blue color point. Okay, all this draw a line. So here we get an intersection point. So 2x minus y is equal to 3, the second line. Okay. Now here the intersection point is this point. Minus 5 and here, yes. So minus 5 is the intersection point. So 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 intersect each other at point 1, minus 1, minus 5. Okay, minus 1, minus 5 is the intersection point. So here we will put therefore x, y is equal to 1, minus 5. This is the solution. Okay, so solution of the given equation is minus 1, minus 5. In this way we have completed sub-question 4. Now let's solve sub-question 5 of question number 2. X minus 4y is equal to minus 7. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Two equations are given here. So let's find one by one x and y value. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Left hand side is 3x minus 4y and right hand side is minus 7. So if it is moved from right hand side to left hand side, it will become positive 7. So 3x plus 7 is equal to 4y. So 3x plus 7 is numerator and 4 is on denominator. This equation we will find here. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to question mark. Let's consider x is 0. Here in the place of x we will put 0. So y is equal to 3 bracket 0 plus 7 upon 4. So 3 zeros is 0 plus 7 upon 4. So 7 upon 4. Plus 0 plus 7 upon 4. So here 7 divided by 4, which is equal to 1.75. See here decimal point. After dividing we get here decimal point 1.75. So y is equal to 1.75. Okay. So x is 0 and y is 1.75. So simple to calculate this equation. Again, when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to question mark. again we will calculate here value of y. So in the place of x we will put 1. So 3 bracket 1 plus 7 upon 4. Okay, so denominator is 4 and numerator is 3 bracket 1 plus 7. So 3 ones are 3 plus 7. Okay, that means 10. 10 upon 4. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. 5 upon 2. So that is equal to 2.5. Okay, so y is 2.5. So x is 1 and y is 2.5. See here, this is a decimal type question. So 1 comma 2.5. So simple and easy to solve. Now x is equal to 2 but we don't know the value of y. Again we will use the same equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 7 upon 4. Okay, so in the place of x we will put 2. So 3 bracket 2 plus 7 upon 4. So 3 2s are 6 plus 7 upon 4. 6 plus 7 is, yes, 6 plus 7 upon 4. 13 upon 4. Okay, so after dividing we get here 3.25. 3.25. So here y is 3.25. So x is 2 and y is 3.25. So bracket 2 comma 3.25. Okay, 3.25. Now x is 3 but we don't know the value of y. So again we will use this equation 3x plus 7 upon 4. In the place of x we will put 3. So y is equal to 3 bracket 3 plus 7 on numerator and denominator is 4. So 3 3s are 9 plus 7. Here y is equal to 9 plus 7 upon 4. 16 upon 4. Numerator is 16, denominator is 4. 4 4s are 16. So y is equal to 4. X is 3 and y is 4. So simple and easy to solve. So here 3 comma 4. Now similarly we will solve the second equation. So second simultaneous equation is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Here again, so 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to 2y. This minus 2 shift from left to right, it will become positive. So y is equal to 5x upon 2. So again draw the table x comma y. Okay, x is equal to minus 2 and we don't know the value of y. Here we have considered x is minus 2. So in the place of x we will put minus 2. So y is equal to 5 bracket minus 2 upon 2. Okay, 5 bracket minus 2 upon 2. 5 2s are 10. Minus 10 upon 2. Okay, so here minus 10 upon 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. Minus 5. Y is equal to minus 5. So x is minus 2 and y is minus 5. So minus 2 comma minus 5. So simple and easy to solve. Yes. Now similarly x is equal to minus 1. We have considered x value is minus 1 but we don't know the value of y. We are going to calculate this value of y. So same equation 5x upon 2. In the place of x we will put minus 1. So 5 bracket minus 1 upon 2. So 5 ones are 5, give their negative sign, minus 5 upon 2. That means 2.5 minus 2.5. Okay, so x is minus 1 and y is minus 2.5. Okay, so bracket, give here bracket minus 1 comma minus 2.5. So simple. Now here let us consider x value is 1. Okay, let us consider here x value is 1 and we don't know the value of y. So here if x is equal to 1 then we are going to find here value of y. So y is equal to 5 bracket 1. Okay, and now here give here 2. So 5 ones are 5 upon 2. After dividing we get here 2.5. Okay, so y is 2.5. Okay, so x is 1 and y is 2.5. So 1 comma 2.5. So simple and easy to solve. Yes, my dear students. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to, we don't know. Okay, again we are going to calculate here y value. So here y is equal to 5 bracket, in the place of x we will put 2. 5 2s are 10 upon 2. 10 upon 2 is 5. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So y is equal to 5. Yes, so 2 comma 5. x is 2 and y is 5. So here 2 comma 5. Okay, now draw this two table. With the help of these two tables, we will point all this we will plot all this point on graph paper. Okay, so represent all this x and y value on graph paper. So draw here x-axis and y-axis. Above side is positive, below side is negative. Right hand side is positive, left hand side is negative. Scale both axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, now here we have to plot all this point on this graph paper. So x is 0 and y is 1.75. So on x-axis 0 and y-axis 1.75. So here 1.75. In between 1 and 2 we will draw here 1.75. Okay, so 0 comma 1.75. After this 1 comma 25. On x-axis 1 and y-axis 1 comma 2.5. See the second point. Now here third point 2 comma 3.25. Okay, 2 comma 3.25. Now lastly x-axis 3 and y-axis 4. So 3 comma 4. Now here you can see pink color dot, 4 dots are given. With the help of all these 4 dots, we will join all this by drawing a line. So draw here straight line, give the name 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Okay, now the second table 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So here minus 2 and minus 5. Minus 2 and minus 5. So here minus 2 and minus 5, minus 2 on x-axis and minus 5 on y-axis, blue color dot. Now again minus 1 and minus 2.5. So here in between minus 2 and minus 3 we will take minus 1 and minus 2.5. Okay, so here after this yes, here 1 and 2.5, positive side 2 and 5. Here blue color dot, above side 2 and 5. Okay, x-axis 2 and y-axis 5. Draw all these 4 blue dots. Okay, by drawing a line. Now give the line name is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now intersection point. See the intersection point is 1 comma, yes, 1 comma 2.5. Yes. So this is the intersection point. 1 comma 2.5. See the green color. Yes, green color 1 comma 2.5. Green color typing, I have typed here 1 comma 2.5. Okay, so here intersecting each other at point 1 comma 2.5. Okay, so here intersect each other at point 1 comma 25. Solution is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2.5 is the solution of the given equation. So simple and easy to solve. Yes. Now similarly we will solve sub question 6. Here 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So here 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 4 is on right hand side and it is positive. So if it is moving from right to left, it will become negative. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 3y. So here we will put, therefore y is equal to 2x minus 4 on numerator and 3 is on denominator. So 2x minus 4 upon 3. Okay, now draw here table. Give here x and y point. Now here x and y point. So here we will consider the value of x and we will calculate the value of y. Okay, so in the place of x we will put minus 4. It is your wish. You can take any number for x and we will find the value of y. But we have to calculate the value of y. Okay, so in the place of x I have taken here minus 4. So y is equal to 2x minus 4 upon 3. So 2x minus 4 upon 3. Okay. So minus 4 twice because one is I have considered, another one is given in question. So 2 4s are 8, minus 8 minus 4 upon 3. So minus 12 upon 3. Minus minus plus. So minus 12 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So minus 4. So x is minus 4 and y is also minus 4. So here we have calculated y is minus 4. So here x comma y is minus 4, minus 4. X is minus 4 and y is also minus 4. So minus 4, minus 4. When x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to question mark. Here we are considering the value of x. You can take any number for x, okay? But we are going to find the value of y with the help of that x. So in the place of x, we will put minus 1. So 2 bracket minus 1 up minus 4 upon 3. So 2 ones are minus 2 minus 4 upon 3. So minus minus plus, give here greater number sign, minus 6 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, minus 2. So x is minus 1 and y is minus 2. So x is minus 1 and y is minus 2. So simple. Yes, minus 1 comma minus 2. Now let us take the value of x is 2 and we don't know the value of y. Okay. Again I am saying you have to consider the value of x. You can take any number for x. So in the place of x we will put 2. So 2 bracket 2 minus 4 upon 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 upon 3. So 0 upon 3. 4 minus 4 is 0 upon 3, that is equal to 0. Okay, 0 divided by 3 is 0. So x is 2 and y is 0. X is 2 and y is 0. So here we will put value of y is 0. So 2 comma 0. Now the last box. Now here let us consider the value of x is when x is equal to 5. We don't know the value of 5. Okay, we know the value of x is 5. Okay, we have considered x is 5, but we don't know the value of y. So in the place of x we will put 5. So 2 bracket 5 upon 4 upon 3. So 2 5s are 10 minus 4 upon 3. So 10 minus 4 is 6 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So y is equal to 2. After dividing we get here y is 2. So x is 5 and y is 2. So 5 comma 2. So simple and easy to solve. Yes, just you have to consider any number for x, and with the help of that x we have to find the value of y. Now second table, second equation, 3y minus x is equal to 4. Now here we will keep 3y on left hand side, but 4x minus x become positive x. So 4 plus x right hand side. So 4 plus x on numerator and 3 on denominator. Draw here table and we will consider the value of x and we will find the value of y. Okay, so consider x and calculate y. So x comma y. So first here we will consider the value of x is here. So y is equal to 4 plus x upon 3. Okay, this equation we have to use here. So if x is equal to minus 1, we have to calculate y. So when x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to question mark. We are calculating here value of y. So y is equal to 4 plus x. In the place of x we will put minus 1 upon 3. So plus minus minus. So 4 minus 3. 4 minus 1 upon 3. 4 minus 1 is plus minus minus. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 upon 3 is 1. 3 ones are 3. After dividing we get here 1. Positive 1. So x is minus 1 and y is positive 1. So minus 1 and 1. X is 2. Now here we are considering the x value is 2. But we don't know the value of y. With the help of this we will calculate value of y. So x is equal to 2, then y is equal to question mark. Again we will use this equation, y is equal to 4 plus x upon 3. So in the place of x we will put 2. 4 plus 2 upon 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 upon 3 is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. After dividing we get here 2. So x is 2, y is 2. So 2 comma 2. X is 2, y is 2, 2 comma 2. Bracket 2 comma 2. Okay. Now third equation, 5. X is 5. Third box we will put x is equal to 5. We have considered x value is 5. Then y is equal to question mark. We don't know the value of y. Okay. So let us consider x is 5. So y is equal to 4 plus x upon 3. So 4 plus 5 upon 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 3s are 9. So y is equal to 3. X is 5 and y is 3. Yes. So 5 comma 3. So here we will put bracket 5 comma 3. Now last box, x is 8 but we don't know the value of y. We have considering this. You can take any number. X is 8 and y we don't know. So x is equal to 8 but we don't know the value of y. So question mark. Again 4 plus x, in the place of x we will put 8. So 4 plus 8 upon 3. 4 plus 8 is 12. Y is equal to 12 upon 3 is 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So y is equal to 4. So x is 8, then y is 4. If x is 8, then y is 4. So 8 and 4. So 8 comma 4. Bracket 8 comma 4. Okay. Now plot all these x and y point on graph paper. So we will these two equation we will represent on graph paper. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, and the second equation we will plot on this graph paper. So x axis and y axis, above side is positive, below side is negative, right hand side is positive, left hand side is negative. Scale both axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, this is very important. You have to write. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, our first table. X is minus 4 and y is minus 4. So both are negative. So see the below side here. Yes, pink color dot. So x is minus 4 and y is minus 4. So minus 4 minus 4. And here minus 2, minus 1 and minus 2. Second dot, second pink color dot, minus 1 and minus 2. And here third one is 2 and 0. So y axis is 0, so and x axis is 2. So 2 comma 0. Okay. Now here 5 comma 2. 5 comma 2. Okay. X is 5 and y is 2. So 5 comma 2. Draw all this, join all these 4 points through a line. Okay. So draw a line here. See this black color line. We are joining all these 4 points. Yes. And give your name 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Okay, after this the second table. Okay, now similarly we will draw here second line, second table with the help of second table. 3y minus x is equal to 4. Now 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Now here you can see the blue dot, 1 minus 1 and 1. Okay, so minus 1 comma 1, and here 2 comma 2. Okay, both are positive number. And here 5 comma 3, the third blue dot. Yes, again positive number, 5 comma 3. And lastly 8. Here 8 x axis 8 and y axis 4. So 8 comma 4. Okay, now join all these blue color dot. Okay, by drawing a line. Okay, so draw here line and see here intersection point. Give your name 3y minus x is equal to 4. Give your name 3y minus x is equal to 4. Second line represent this point. Okay, so here intersection point is this. Okay, 8 comma 4 is the intersection point. Okay, for both this line. So both this equation intersection point is 8 comma 4. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4 intersect each other at point 8 comma 4. Okay, so therefore 8 comma x comma y is equal to 8 comma 4 is the solution of the given equation, because this is an intersection point. So simple and easy to solve all these sums. Yes, my dear students. Now your task is to solve all the remaining sums of practice set 1.2 in your Maths 1 notebook. And if you find any difficulty while solving these sums, you can contact me. Thank you for watching my video. Enjoy learning. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Bye-bye.